Hey, welcome to Cooking with Ranger Rob. Grab your aprons and let's get started, guys. Hello everyone, this is Ranger Rob and welcome to Cooking with Ranger Rob. Today is a special day because I've learned how to make extra crispy chicken wings. And I learned this from Meat Church. And really you're not using your Traeger, you're not using your grill. You're definitely going to be cooking in oil. And this is an incredible way to cook chicken wings. They were extra crispy. The technique was kind of strange where you have to deep fry basically your chicken wings for 20 minutes at 120 degrees. And then you let them rest, and then you cook again at 350 for 10 minutes, and then put your flavors on then. So here we go. We're going to do extra crispy chicken wings, and I think you'll love them, so give them a try. First, we started with chicken wings pre-cut from Butcher Box. It's really important at this point to dry them out and using a paper cloth. First, we started with vegetable oil, and they do suggest peanut oil, and we took it up to 120 approximately. While that's going on, this is a good time to set up our tray. We are using two flavors on our chicken. The first one will be Traeger chicken rub and Korean barbecue sauce for the second batch. To make it easier for the Traeger rub to adhere, we are treating our first batch with duck oil. We've gotten our cooking oil up to 120 degrees approximately and started adding our chicken wings to the oil. We will cook these for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of cooking the chicken wings, you will pull them and let them cool off. You will find the chicken wings to look very pale at this point, but don't you fret. Also remember to let these sit for an hour and up to even 24 hours if you want to. This first process is to help make the chicken wings tender. We let the chicken rest for over an hour, and then we also reheated our oil to 350 to 400 degrees. At this point, we'll be cooking the chicken wings for 10 minutes. Now they're starting to look like chicken wings and getting nice and golden brown. So after 10 minutes, we started to remove them from the pot. This is the time to have a deep mixing bowl that you can toss the chicken wings in. Now add your chicken wings to the bowl, spray your chicken wings with duck oil, and then also add your rub and start tossing them around. Flavor your wings to taste. You do not have to use the same thing that we're using. So we just added to another bowl and started working our next batch. Wow, those look delicious and ready to eat. So we got our second batch started, cooking them for 10 minutes, and this is the one with Korean sauce. All right, so we got our wings done, our first batch, and Sherry's going to do the taste test and see if they're actually crunchy.
They look crunchy. Definitely crunchy. Really good.
So that's with the Traeger seasoning. I probably put a little bit too much on there, but the bigger wings should be alright. But yeah, super crunchy, super good. And next one, we're not going to put the duck oil on there, but I'm going to go straight with the Korean sauce. So anyway, so those are cooking in the oven right now. Throw them in the bowl when they're ready. Toss them around in Korean sauce, and we're ready to eat. Our second batch of wings are done. Now we're pulling them right now. Let them sit for a minute or two. Then we're going to toss them in the bowl with the Korean sauce. Just a reminder, we did not add our duck oil to this, and we just blended these together with the Korean sauce. These also look very delicious and smell good. Alright guys, we're ready to eat. And so we've got our regular ones with Traeger seasoning on it. And in the future, for anybody that's doing that, make sure that you go light on your seasoning. Do a taste test, and you can always add more. We went a little bit over on the RangerRob, and it's a little bit salty, but next time we'll know better. And our Korean over here, we haven't tasted that yet because we're really interested in the crunch.
Yep.
And so these are the ones that gave us the idea of the crumb. Now, one thing you're talking about is it does take time. You're talking about 20 minutes doing a cook at 120 degrees plus or minus 220, and then let them sit for an hour. And they could recommend even a day or two after that, to let those sit. But you can do them within an hour, and then you cook them again for 10 minutes at high temperature at 350 to 400. And it was pretty easy. You said it wasn't too messy.
No, not really.
And you just got to make sure you give yourself enough time for everything. So we're going to dive in. And you got any other comments about it?
No, I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're hungry. So guys, there you go. Super crispy chicken. And if you would, share, could you actually taste test the Korean and see if it's crunchy? We were worried about if you used a sauce or like barbecue sauce or anything, would it hamper the crunchiness of the chicken? So I'm going to show you really quick. Check out the Korean.
Sticky. Oh, they're good.
Oh, are they crunchy? Mm-hmm. All right, guys. So don't worry about sauces. They stay nice and crunchy. So I hope you enjoyed that. Try it out. It was a great, the recipe came off of Meat Church. And give them a try. We like them. This video is made possible by RangerRob Poopy Bags. Available in Amazon right now. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over the whole wide world. Thanks.